Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to project our study area or DEM model in required coordinate system. For that purpose, take your study area in your ArcMap. So add your DEM model. So this is your DEM model, that is digital elevation model. Now we have to project this model in required coordinate system because India lies in 42 to 47 UTM zone. So first we have to identify that in which UTM zone our study area is belongs. So for that purpose, click here, go into C drive, then program files, click here. In that, click on ArcGIS, then desktop 10.7, then find the reference system and click here a UTM shapefile and add it. Now scroll your DEM model above this UTM shapefile. Okay, now zoom out and see there are different bands are there and your study area is in between that. So we have to identify what are the different UTM zones. So click on this UTM, right click here in properties, click on this label tab, check this box and here click on zone, say OK. See, there are different UTM zones are there and it is clearly seen that our study area is belonging from 43 zone. So we have to project our study area in 43 zone. As India belongs to a northern hemisphere, we have to select 43N. Now let's see how to project this area in required system. So you can remove this file, UTM file, just remove it. Okay, now enlarge the DEM file. So just right click on this figure, then click on the data frame properties. Here projected coordinate system, click on this, then on UTM, then click on WGS 1984, then in northern hemisphere and search for 43N. See here, here is WGS 1984 UTM zone 43. So apply and say OK. Now again right click here and see in a data frame property, see this is a coordinate system in WGS 1984 43 north. Okay, now again click on this and click and right click, then in properties here source, see the current DEM file in, see special reference is WGS 1984 but our image is from 43N coordinate system. So we have to change this coordinate system. So again here right click on this DEM model, then click on data, click on export data. Here in a special reference, click on data frame current. This is important. Click on data frame current, then keep all things as it is. Now location, select your location where you want to save your file. So in a location, click on and give here name for your area. By default here is TIF format is there, otherwise select from here TIFF format and save it. Here is one notification. Would you like to add the exported data to a map as a layer? Say yes. Now this is our required file format, that is TIFF file format. So you can remove it, this file, remove it. Now check once again, right click on this file and check. See here our file in 43 north coordinate system. Okay, and again here on this file right click and check in a properties, check in a source. See, spatial reference of this figure is from 43 north coordinate system, so it is in required coordinate system.